Machine just got here. The menu button doesn't work. You also may have mentioned this huge gash right here. But as you can see, there's the little white piece. That piece is worn off of these two knobs. Knob 3 and 2 work fine, and you can hear the steps. You hear that? And you see it, look, see it's moving. That's moving. I guess that third one there is on bypass. I don't know why. In any event, what's important is this button. So you could see me moving it and no value moves. All right, if you turn that off, look, again, that's the drums, right? Nothing moves. Nothing moves. I can go through different kits, but as you can see, I hit the wrong button. Nothing moves. Completely useless. And you hear? No steps. See, look, steps, right? No steps, because it's not connected. It does not work. It's broken. So now I guess we'll figure out what we're going to do here.